Hi everyone, this is Vivita. Welcome back to my channel Become Excellent in English. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to develop effective English speaking. Guys, let me one thing. Do you really want to know about it? Then you watch this video till the end. And in this video, first of all, I will explain about what is effective English speaking, and after that I will give you some easy tips which will really help you to develop your effective English speaking. Without further delay, let's begin the video. Here I would like to tell about what is effective English speaking. Let's see. Effective English speaking is that which impresses someone or makes an impact on someone or makes someone happy. This is called effective English speaking. Guys, why do you need to develop effective English speaking? Because its trend is high level in the modern age. Everyone wants to develop effective English speaking, and everyone wants to speak impressive, attractive and effective English speaking in this age because of trending, because of trend. And here I am emphasizing you to develop your effective English speaking. You must develop effective English speaking, because if you do this, then you will be able to develop your effective English speaking. And here I would like to tell one thing. You can speak anything in English, it does not matter, but your English should be understandable so that listener or learners feels happy to hear your English speaking, and after that he or she started respecting you because of your attractive, impressive or effective English. That's why I am suggesting you must need to develop effective English speaking. This has a lot of power, and you can improve this by using many things, because there are a lot of materials in English. It's very easy. It's up to you. How do you use and how do you develop in your life, and how do you build a develop of effective English speaking? Well, and here I would like to tell one thing more, which is you speak such English so that listener or learner feels happy to hear your English speaking, and after that he or she started respecting you because of your English speaking, because of your effective, impressive, attractive English speaking. Everyone likes it. That's why everyone wants to develop effective English speaking. Everyone are trying to develop effective English speaking. Like that, you also develop effective English speaking. If you speak effective English speaking in front of any one person, that person or next person will definitely be happy, and after that he or she started respecting you. I guarantee you. First you do, then you will able to know, wow, means effective English speaking has a lots of power. You can speak very easily. You can speak effective English speaking very easily and very confidently, fluently in front of everyone. Guys, I hope you understood my all points, means my all speeches. Well, now I'm going to tell about those tips which I said about. Well, let's see. Tip number one is that imitate. Imitate means to copy. कॉपी मीन्स नकल करना. किसी व्यक्ति का देखकर उसके पहनावा, उसकी बोलचाल, उसकी पढ़ाई लिखाई, उसका प्रोग्रेस, उसका गवर्नमेंट जॉब, किसी भी चीज को, उसकी पर्सनालिटी को देखकर कॉपी करना, जो हम फॉलो करते हैं उसी को कहते हैं कॉपी, इमिटेट. वेल, imitation has a lots of power. Why people imitate each other? Because imitation can change your personality. Imitation can change your life. That's why everyone imitates each other. You also need to develop imitation in yourself. Then you will be able to speak effective English in front of everyone very easily, confidently. Well, and how to imitate? It's very easy. Imitation can progress. Imitation can anything. But you only have to follow imitation for your effective English speaking. Only for this not for other thing. But yes, it's up to you what you prefer. But I told you. Well, I hope you understood about it. And the second tip is that practice. Here, I would like to tell you, you should practice with your friends, with your family. It's up to you what you prefer. But practice has a lot of power. No one can speak English without practicing. Well, practice can build your confidence. Practice can build confidence in yourself. Practice can make you fluent in English speaking. Practice can develop your effective English speaking to speak in front of every one person. Well, you can practice, it's up to you. There are many materials in English, it's up to you how do you practice. Well, no one can speak English without practicing. Well, practice plays a very important role in English speaking. That's why I am suggesting you also need to practice as much as possible you can. You do practice regular, not one day. It's your work. You have to do regular. Well, guys, the third tip is that reading. You can improve or develop your effective English speaking by reading books, newspapers, magazines, books, etc. Means there are different types and lots of materials in English. It's up to you what you prefer. Well, there are a lots of things in book, and we can improve our English pronunciation as well as English vocabularies from the books. Well, there are different types of vocabularies in the book. That's why you need to read a lots of book. Then you will be able to speak or develop effective English speaking. Well, and the fourth tip is that listen to the language. What does it mean? Listen to the language. Yes, English is a language, Hindi is a language, but you should follow only English. You need to improve your English speaking. You need to develop your effective English speaking by listening. Yes, listening has a lot of power. Listening is the first step in English speaking, and it plays a very important role in English speaking. And no one can speak English without listening. Because listening has a lot of power. It can build confidence in ourselves. It can build fluency in ourselves. Yes, you can develop your effective English speaking by listening songs, podcasts, speeches, subtitles. There are different types of things in English, but it's up to you what you prefer. Well, if you do not concentrate your mind while listening English, you will be not able to speak or develop effective English speaking. This is a fact, and this is absolutely and 100% right. Yes, you have to believe in this thing, because we can't think anything in mind without concentration. Yes, it's 100% right. If you do, then you will be able to do. Yes, it's absolutely right. And the next tip is that making notes of new words. Why am I saying about this? Because if you listen anything in English, if you watch anything in English, it does not matter. But after listening or after watching movies or English songs, series, anything in English, you have to note down those vocabularies on your notebook. Then you will be able to frame the sentences in English, and then you will be able to develop your effective English speaking, and then you will be able to speak English in front of everyone. This is absolutely right. You should develop your effective English speaking by watching movies, TV shows, English cartoons, videos, English animated videos. Yes, there are different types of materials in English. It's up to you what you prefer. But these things will really help you to develop your effective English speaking and to improve your English speaking very easily and very clearly. Yes, I guarantee you. Because everyone does this. Guys, I hope you understood my all points, my all tips. If you understood my all points, my all tips, you don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thanks for watching my video.